What do you do when your ex turns your kids against you? Parental alienation isn't just heartbreaking, it's a weapon. Here's how to fight back effectively and protect your bond with your kids. I want to tell you about Josh. Josh is a successful engineering director and a devoted dad with 2 kids, Ella and Max, and someone who never missed a soccer game or a dance recital. But after his divorce, things started to change. Slowly, and then all at once, Josh realized his kids were pulling away. Ella stopped calling him dad and started saying things like, "Mom says you don't care about us." Max refused to visit, claiming Josh was too busy for him. The worst part, none of this was true. Josh was becoming a victim of parental alienation, a nasty psychological tactic where one parent manipulates the children to turn them against the other parent. This isn't just an emotional blow, it's damaging for the kids too. It creates confusion, resentment, and long-term psychological harm. And Josh felt helpless and angry and unsure of what to do. And here's the thing, parental alienation is more common than you might think, especially in contentious divorces. I see it all the time in my practice. It can start subtly, like one parent making negative comments about the other in front of the kids, and then it can escalate into outright lies or even pressure to reject the other parent entirely, which is what was happening in this situation. Hey, you want some good news? You don't have to endure this in silence. There are strategies and legal protections you can use to address it. So for starters, document everything. Keep a detailed record of incidents where you suspect alienation by the other parent. That might include emails and text messages or even comments that your children are repeating to you. This documentation isn't just about proving alienation, it's a tool to establish a pattern and then show how it's impacting your relationship with your children, how much it's harming them. The second thing is maintain open communication with your kids. While it's tempting to respond to lies with frustration, focus instead on showing your kids love and consistency. Reassure them that you care about them and that you're always there to listen. Actions do speak louder than words, and over time, your reliability can counteract the negative narratives that your kids are being fed. Your kids are much more attuned to this than you think. If they're above the age of 10 or so, they know when one parent is manipulating them against the other parent. Third thing is seek legal advice. Parental alienation can be addressed in the court. Judges take these situations very seriously because they realize the lasting harm it causes to the kids. So Josh chose our firm because we have decades of combined experience in high conflict custody cases. His attorney within our firm worked closely with him and presented his documentation evidence to the court and sought a modification to his parenting plan, ensuring that he had more structured time to rebuild his bond with Ella and Max. It wasn't a walk in the park, but over time, definitely things began to improve. Ella started opening up to Josh again, and Max started looking forward to their weekend adventures again. The situation didn't reverse itself overnight, but it did resolve quite quickly because we gave Josh the right legal strategy and support, and he was able to reclaim his relationship with his kids. So if your experience is something similar to this, know this, please. You're not alone, and you don't have to navigate this uphill battle on your own. Parental alienation is tough, it's nasty, but it's not impossible to address. If you have questions or you need guidance, hey, reach out to us. We're happy to talk and figure out the best path forward for you and for your precious children. Thank you very much. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on those alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. And please share these videos and leave us comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you again on the next video.